Before meeting Sara, I felt so alone. I had loved ones around me who empathized with what I was going through, who cared for me and loved me and listened to me, but they didn't understand exactly what I was feeling. You can't explain some of these things. It's kind of like a silent struggle that you're going through.
I just had Hashimoto's, and nobody ever told me what Hashimoto's was. I just thought I had hypothyroidism. Then in addition to Hashimoto's, I started with the interstitial cystitis. I was having trouble sleeping. I was approaching some perimenopausal things. So that's when I was like, okay, this is kind of compounding a little bit.
So we started working together 3 years ago when I was first diagnosed with Hashimoto's. I had 2 years of low energy and up and down depression. At first I was really scared about what this meant and how it would change my life.
The first time I met with Sara, and I sat across from her and shared with her how I was feeling, and she could completely relate because she had felt those things before. Her body felt that way, her mind felt that way. And I felt so seen and so heard and so not alone. And it just changed everything for me.
So I came across Sara Peternell in an effort to start trying to conceive. I had Hashimoto's and wanted to make sure that I was taking the best natural method to caring for me and a future baby.
For me, what's been beneficial is the SpectraCell blood testing, the hormonal blood testing, really helping to know how to apply that. My daughter also had that, and so yes, a big part of it was different people in my family have different food sensitivities, so yeah, how does that all come together? That science behind it really helped to me feel confident about spending my time and money on that.
My quality of life now compared to when I was diagnosed 3 years ago has risen exponentially. I have 2 young kids. I was 6 months pregnant when I was diagnosed. Our work together around food and supplements has given me a lot of confidence around what feels right and what doesn't feel right.
Through supplementing and slight changes in my dietary choices, I had complete success. I no longer had any swelling or pain in my thyroid, and I have a healthy baby boy and feel my best.
My vibrancy is back. I've been told I have color in my face again, so I didn't even realize how down I was. On a scale of 1 to 10, like where I started was 1, and now I would say probably an 8 or a 9.
Once I started feeling better, it changed my life. I knew that I never wanted to go back to the way that I was feeling. And so that has given me drive, and it has given me a desire to continue learning and to continue making good choices. It has completely changed my life and helped heal me from the inside out, and has given me motivation and drive and just happiness back that I had completely lost.
You've given me great tools to make choices that are right for my body, and you have been my constant through it all. Amazing support, empathetic, most of all knowledgeable and experienced.
I'm so thankful that our paths crossed, because just feeling like you're not alone, especially in a place when you're hurting or struggling, just makes all the difference. And it definitely changed my life. Thank you.